Hello guys, welcome to the end of the video. Okay, so if you made it this far to the end of the video, congratulations to you. At this point, I'm sure that you have everything it takes, okay, to perform a full analysis on any data set. All right, so my advice to you is this: our advice, you go on Kaggle, okay, download 2 or 3 data sets in any field you're interested in. It could be the healthcare field or the financial sector or the transportation sector or the artificial intelligence sector, whichever sector you're interested in. Our advice, you go on Kaggle, okay, download 2 or 3 data sets and perform a full analysis following the steps I showed you in our project building video. Then you can push this analysis you performed, okay, to your GitHub account. Okay, please, if this is the first time you're seeing my video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. If you have any questions concerning the project we just completed, don't forget to leave your questions under the comment section of the video. Okay, if you have friends, okay, that are interested in the field of data science or data analysis, don't forget to tell them about this channel. Okay, don't forget to share our videos to them, okay, to help them sharpen their skills, okay, and help them become a good data scientist and data analyst. Okay, your subscription, okay, your likes and comments is what gives me the motivation to keep dishing out content. Okay, so in our next project, we are going to be building a Power BI dashboard from start to finish. Okay, so even if you're new to the field of working with Power BI, you don't have to worry. I'm going to make the video as beginner friendly as possible. Firstly, I'm going to start by introducing what Power BI is and what Power BI does. Okay, then I'll go ahead to talk about the interface of Power BI, telling you how you can use every tool or options in the Power BI interface. Okay, before we go ahead to cleaning our data sets in Power BI. Okay, so I will show you how you can actually perform analysis in Power BI using the DAX functions. Okay, and everything you need to know about Power BI. Okay, before we go ahead in building our dashboard. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate you. I really appreciate your likes. I really appreciate your subscription. I appreciate your comments. Okay, it means a lot to this channel and it gives us the motivation to keep dishing out insightful content. Thank you so much for watching, and please have a wonderful day ahead of you.